All right, this is the Haas model VF1 CNC vertical machining center.
Walk around once maybe. Not much happening on this side. We got the cooling system down low, auger, and the auger chute is right around the corner here as we walk.
Got it.
Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Cooling system coming up on the electric panel if you want to take a look at that after you get this. Everything's here. And then you pop this door open here. Everything's up and running under power. Currently wired 208 down here coming into the main transformer. So it's all fully tappable. Got the 4 drives in there and a 40 horsepower freak drive for the spindle. Around here, we got the lube package on the side here. Grease for the ball screws and ways, and of course spindle oil down low here. Okay, air package temporarily coming in the bottom. There it is. Come around the front, we can got the control here. Of course, the books down low on the left, you want to cover those. We got a couple manuals that go with it. Tool up in there, and the tool that's in the spindle. I put a couple of dummies in there just for the tool change, so, but these guys will stay with the machine. In manual, I can just maybe jump on the axes in a slower motion because I've got a little program in here where it'll go a lot faster. So just to show basic movement in manual, you can just kind of move things around a little bit. Well, it looks and sounds pretty good, really. So go back with Y. Bring Z down. Now we just kind of leave that stuff right there. I can turn on the spindle. Let me bring down the rate a little bit. I have to have the doors closed for that. And to bring it down some, and maybe about 2800. I think it'll let me turn this on now at this point. Let's see. Oh, that's right. With the doors closed, it's only going to give me a slow 600 RPM. So anyhow, you can kind of see in there. I'm going to power it up, and there's clockwise around 2800. And I can ramp it up now.
There's too much of a reflection.
Yeah. Am I in the way, or? Want to just lean in then, and one way or the other?
Or stand off to the other side.
All right. Spindle rate, bring it up here. 4,200. 4,900. There's 56, 6,300, there's 7,000, 7,700. I'll just start and stop it at 7,700, kind of listen to it. Back up again clockwise. And stop, we'll go counterclockwise once. There we go. I'm going to try opening it. We can kind of show that. This one doesn't have a gas key stop on it. Now, counterclockwise. One more time. watch what's in the program. I'm just going to put it on auto cycle now, let it rip, and you go side and the front and kind of watch it. It's on a continuous string, so let me get into MDI here, and we should be able to just jump right in on a short program and watch some things move around here. We should be good to go here. Come around the front. Right after this tool change.